appNovi enables alignment to CIS Core Controls 1 and 2 to maintain accurate asset and software inventories. While appNovi visualizes your data, it most importantly provides the ability to analyze the contextually aggregated dataset. Let's consider a scenario in which we want to identify servers without endpoint agents on them. I can select from data pulled from all my infrastructure and security data sources and construct searches across them. Here, I can see all assets that are servers. Next, I can specify the data source, or in this case, assets not seen in Sentinel-1. The result is assets that do not have endpoint agents. If I want to further refine this, I can construct Boolean type searches. For example, I can look at those that have vulnerabilities, which would help me prioritize endpoint deployment, given that these assets have vulnerabilities. Or I can specify those that have security events associated with them to assess immediate threats. I can save the search and even trigger other solutions like a SOAR or ITSM ticket based on the results each time. Or I can visualize this data. In a table form, I can see all the data sources for this single asset. When I expand asset connections, I can see quite a bit more relationships. For example, here's the vulnerability associated with the asset. And here I can see the IPS alert. But I can also see who's logged into this box and the network connections. There's a lot of other information here to make informed decisions. This video is 90 seconds long, and manually looking across multiple logs and siloed data sources would typically take 20 to 50 times that. To improve your alignment to CIS Core Controls 1 and 2 and drive greater ROI from your existing tools, you can try appNovi today by filling out the form below or watching the below linked full product demo.